Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use daily rewards and bonus in the Vita Mahjong app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the game on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Every day you open Vita Mahjong, you will get coins, extra hints, or special items. Make it habit to log in daily to collect them all. Watch all videos or complete mini tasks. Many levels have small challenges or short ads you can watch to earn bonus. This adds up quickly over time. Third, use coins and power-ups wisely. Don't spend all your daily rewards to one at once. Save them from trigger levels with extra hints or shuffles can help you finish faster. Check special events. Sometimes the game offers extra daily rewards or seasonal bonus. Participate in this to get rare items and boosts that aren't available normally. Finally, combine your rewards with smart play. Use bonus at the right time can help you clear levels faster and reach higher scores. And that's it. Log in daily, watch videos, save coins, zone events, and use bonuses smartly. Follow this step and you will get the most out of daily rewards in Vita Mahjong app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.